What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have for sale an incredible furnished 7-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in the cool community of East Prospect, St. Thomas. This community is an established middle income area, and this property can be used as an income generating investment or your very own personal retreat. This house is currently priced at Jamaican $50 million or US $321,000. The land area of this property is 4,000 square feet, and some features of this home includes private setting, jetted bathtub, fully fenced, fully walled, grill, mountain view, low cost to maintain the yard, recreational areas located nearby, community is gated, road is paved, pets are allowed in the area, and much more. Now let's take a look at this house, and please leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.